I built this entire 3D car in Blender using basically just one tool, the Skin Modifier. Today I'll show you how to model a vehicle that looks insanely complex, but the project file is only 1.2 megabytes. Let's go. Let's start with a simple circle mesh with just 4 vertices. Add a skin modifier and then a subdivision surface. Now duplicate the subdivision and move it above the skin modifier. Don't forget to enable smooth shading. Congratulations! You just learned a brand new way to make the classic Blender donut, using only 4 vertices. Let's duplicate our donut, Shift+D, and scale it down in edit mode. Now for the magic shortcut. Press Ctrl+A. This lets you scale the thickness of the skin modifier. Press X or Y to scale it non-uniformly. Play around with this, it's super powerful. We're going to build the whole car using this logic. By the way, we use 2 subdivision modifiers for a reason. The top one controls the base skeleton, and the bottom one smooths the final 3D shape. If your thin donut doesn't look perfectly round, here is a pro tip. Add a cast modifier. Boom, perfect circle. Let's duplicate and press M to merge at center. Now we have a single vertex. Click Equalize Radii in the Skin menu to make the X and Y thickness match perfectly. I was too lazy to create a new object and set up all the modifiers again, so I just used this single vertex and extruded it to make the wheel axle. Work smarter, not harder. Time to make the tire tread. Let's convert our base wheel to a mesh, select a few edges, invert the selection, Ctrl+I, and delete the rest. Add the skin modifier to this new arc. And wait, what is this glitch? This happens when the root vertex is somewhere in the middle. To fix it, simply select an outer vertex and click Mark Root. Problem solved. Let's use an array modifier to wrap our tread around the tire. Adjust the shape to your liking. The most important part is done. Now let's group the wheel parts together and place them. To make the wheel arch, I'll just steal a donut from the wheel, duplicate it, and delete the extra vertices. Caught in the root trap again. Select the end vertex and click Mark Root. Use Ctrl+A and X or Y to adjust the thickness of the fender. Copy the fender, and let's start shaping the hood. Nothing new here, just extrude the vertices, use Ctrl+A, and methodically build the shape. I highly recommend using a mirror modifier here, so you don't have to build the left and right sides separately. What is this part of the car even called? Let me know in the comments. And once again, applying the skin modifier. Are you tired of it yet? Because I'm not. We should have copied this shape earlier. It's perfect for the dashboard. Let's make the steering wheel so we can finally take this for a test drive. Here's an amazing workflow hack. Select your new mesh, shift select the Radiator grill, and press Ctrl+L to copy all the modifiers. I'm going to speed up a bit here. If you have any questions about the process, drop them in the comments. To make the headlights, copy a donut, merge to center, M, and you get a perfect sphere with super clean topology. Just Ctrl+A to scale it. More headlights. You can never have too many. As my TikTok comments pointed out, this isn't just a car, it's the Sillymobile. So we definitely need a custom badge for the grille. Let's add some vertical ribs to the grille using skin, array, and mirror modifiers. And subdivision, obviously. Looking good. Now we can really race with a spoiler like that. Oh wait, we need an antenna. What's a joyride without some music? By the way, my favorite trick is to duplicate a single vertex in edit mode and press P to separate it. This keeps all your complex modifiers ready for the next object. Now building the driver's seat. And checking the bottom so we don't get our feet wet in puddles. Should we add a roof? Why not? And there we have it, a complete 3D car built almost entirely out of single edges in the Skin Modifier. This workflow is so much fun for concepting. Let me know what I should model next using this method. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the ride.